In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Display and Brightness. Then scroll again to tap on Font Style, and to apply one of the available default fonts, tap on the best one and choose Apply. If you wish to try something more interesting, hit Download More, pick a perfect font for you and click on it. Then choose Download, and when it's ready, hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!